My dear friends, you are most welcome to this discussion session, and today we shall be discussing about the virus and its origin, evolution. So normally I personally name the virus as the capsule coated criminals. We shall be talking about the biological virus, not the computer virus. Computer virus is the different thing, that is the valuable information resources under seas. Whether it is a computer virus or a biological virus, it means somewhat an analogy and similarity. In computer virus, we know that it's a valuable information resources under seas. So it is a software that is seizing the valuable information and hijacking your system. Similarly, the biological virus can also hijack, and it can utilize the human genome. It can utilize the other genome of the plant and also other creature. But still there is a no striking evidence from where they originated, and how do they evolve. And this capsule coated criminal, this is what I have named those biological entity. So we shall be talking about the origin and its evolution and the structure of this particular biological entity. But there are so many variation, because it could be RNA virus and that could be single or double stranded. In DNA virus there could be single and double stranded. There are so many variation in the viral structure. But if I say it is a capsule coated criminals, but that word is also not always correct, because there are so many viruses, those are good. As for example, you know, the icosahedral bacteriophages. But most of the cases, if it could interact with the, like if it is having the pathogenic property, it can interact with the surface molecule of the plant. So it could be a plant virus. So it can create a, like tobacco mosaic virus. If it is creating problem with the animal by interacting their like a surface protein, and they injecting their genome in the plant or animal cells. So that is how this particular biological entity can interfere the normal biological version. And you can also see the origin and evolution of this particular virus is very complicated. Some says, as it is an obligatory parasite, so some says it cannot survive, or it cannot be originated before the host. Some theories says it has been arrived from the bacterial plasmid. So suppose you have a bacterial plasmid here. Now this bacterial plasmid actually giving rise to the virus. That means origin of virus is from prokaryote. But there are some other viruses, those are not obligatory parasite. For example, in the lake of the Italy, you can see there are acidophilic two-tail virus or ATV virus. They have shown some metabolism and they can extend their two tails. So acidophilic condition, in acidic condition, they can extend and propagate their two tails. So that is how they are breaking the rules of being an obligatory parasite. So we will discuss all the confusion, its origin, its structure, and all about the virus. So please stay tuned.